Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the WANNTS inflatable sleeping pad. I got this item to help us prepare for emergencies and for camping purposes. So let's get this all put together and I'll show you what it looks like. This sleeping pad is so convenient to inflate with the built-in pump. All I need to do is step on the built-in pump with my foot and the sleeping pad is inflated in just a matter of a few seconds. I don't have to deal with using my hands, mouth, or a pump to be able to start using this sleeping pad. It is also specifically designed with body mapping technology, making it comfortable as well as portable for all kinds of purposes. It also has a strong outdoor grade material that is perfect for different weather conditions. The actual size of the sleeping pad is 75 inches by 25 inches, and it is very lightweight at just 30 ounces in weight, making it perfect and convenient to carry around for outdoor activities. If you are in the market for an easy to use sleeping pad for your next outdoor adventure, this is definitely worth looking into.